Hello, welcome to this video on the Universal Health Coverage module and how to find your case study group. In this video, you can see that we are on a fake version of the home page. You can't see the real version of the home page at the moment. It hasn't been unlocked yet, but I'm going to walk you through how you will be able to find your case study group. There are 3 different ways you'll be able to access your group, and I'm going to show you one way specifically. One quick way is over here on the right-hand side of the page. Your group for the Universal Health Coverage group is going to be right here. It will be a group and a number followed by ID216. Your group number could be 1 through 8. So just keep that in mind. Ignore, up here you'll see a group and a letter. You can ignore that for right now. Another way you can find your group is over here on the Groups tab. You'll also see the same group and a letter. Ignore that again. You'll see, again, a group and a number. So that's the group that you're looking for. So click on that. Or the third way is when you're inside the ID216 page, you'll have a long list of sub-tabs here, and you're going to click on the People tab. That will bring you to the People page, and you'll see a list of all the people in the class, and you're going to click on this sub-tab over here called Groups. This will show you all the different groups that have been set up for ID216 and specifically all the different people who are in these separate little groups. You're only going to have access to your group that you have been placed in. You'll see that these other ones are locked. I have access to group number 1. This one is unlocked for me. So I'm going to go and visit this page. This is a specific home page for Group 1. You'll have access to your own group's home page and that information there. I see that I have one specific announcement that has been provided to my group page. So I want to view more information on this. Here is my group information for my case study, and I'm going to be looking at Brazil. You will have access to either Brazil or a few other country case studies that we're going to be looking at for this module. So you might have Brazil or France, Vietnam, or Ghana. So you'll find out which country case study you have, and you'll be able to access those materials when you click on the announcement. You'll see highlighted links as well as a link to the assignment when you click on that announcement. And the announcement will always be here in your group page, and you can continue to access it throughout your time in ID216. So that's all for now, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks so much.